art friends, welcome back. We're going to be drawing the Mexican flag. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to lay this out in pencil just a little bit. So I'm going to have my logo right here, and then I'm going to have flag coming in here, and then across. And coming back up. Okay, I got it now. All right, so to start with, we are gonna start with the beak of the little monster on the bird eagle thing. Okay, so we're just gonna draw a little upside down letter C or sideways. Then we're gonna draw another line coming around and back over. And then down like that. And then we've got his eye here, just like so. And then we're going to draw a line coming down, zigzagging across, coming above, zigzagging, and coming back down. Okay, then we're going to draw a line coming down like this, and another line coming across and down like that. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And then we're gonna put some more zigzags in here. And some more zigzags. And some more zigzags. There you go. Then we're going to draw the wing. So that's going to come around, back. Then that's the back wing. Now we're going to draw the front wing around and back. Like that. There you go. And we're going to draw some little, I don't know, what would those be? Little C's, yeah? All right. Then we're gonna draw a line coming down like so. And then we're gonna draw repeated lines, kind of getting bigger as they come across like that. And then we've got another layer. These look like icicles to me. There. Lovely. Now for his tail feathers. Come back out, around and up. Then we're just going to repeat, repeat, repeat. All right, now for his talons, or her talons. Don't know if it's a she or a he. Coming around just like that. And then it's on something. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's a log or something. Oh, it's a cactus. That's what it is. Yes. All right, then we've got the front claw. Okay, so we're gonna do some zigzag, 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 zigzag. And we're gonna draw two lines coming out. Then we're gonna draw a C, kind of like a fat C. And we're gonna draw some little ovals for his little toes. And then he's holding a little snake. And the snake has circles at the front of him. I think it's a rattler. Looks very, very deadly. And then it's gonna just repeat back. And then it's gonna come out here and curve around into his mouth. He's holding it with his mouth and his claw. Oh, that's the end of it. Duh, rattler. Huh. Okay, and then we have a little lump, and it comes around with a little fang. And then there's a little bottom fang. And it comes back in and circles around. There we go. Now for the cactus. All right, so for the cactus, it's just gonna be that shape right there. And then this one has something else on it. Looks like an acorn. There we go. And another thing. And another one. And then we've got some little dew things on that. And then we got some little spikies. Spikies. And then we've got one more cactus little part here. And there, that's that part. All right. So then underneath that, we have this shape like so. And then there is another shape underneath that. There we go. There we go, there's that. And then we have little something going around the bottom part of it. All right, so that starts with a shape like so. And then we've got some lines coming out. And then that side, and then this side, these look like flowers to me, and then this side looks like bur oak leaves or something. And one more. There. And we've got, looks like some little acorns on them. Oh, these sure look like acorns. Oh, there we go. All right, so then this would be the white part. part, green part. Put the flagpole here. Just kind of give a suggestion. There we go, and there is the Mexican flag. I'm just gonna kind of clean up some of my guidelines here. You can see I kind of stayed in where I was supposed to, a little bit. It all works out. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.